Pythagorean Theorem. The Pythagorean theorem states that in a right-angled triangle, the square on the hypotenuse, which is the side opposite the right angle, is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. Here we are talking about areas, of course. In the picture shown, the other two sides are AB and BC. The side AC is the hypotenuse because it is opposite the right angle. And the Pythagorean theorem states that the square drawn on AB and the square drawn on BC, when we add the areas of those two squares, that will be equal to the area of the square that is drawn on the hypotenuse, which is AC. In the diagram, the side AB is 3 centimeters and the side BC is 4 centimeters. The square drawn on AB has an area 3 times 3, or 9 square centimeters. The square drawn on BC has an area 4 times 4, or 16 square centimeters. According to the Pythagorean theorem, the square drawn on the hypotenuse, or the square drawn on the side AC, has an area that is equal to 9 plus 16, which are the areas of the squares drawn on AB and BC, the other two sides. So the area of the square drawn on AC has an area that is 25 square centimeters. Once you know the area of the square on AC, how do you calculate the side? In other words, what is the length of AC? When we know the side of a square, we figure out the area by multiplying side and side. Area equals side times side. But when you know the area to find the side, you must ask yourself what number multiplied by itself will give you that area. Since the area of the square drawn on AC is 25, what number multiplied by itself will give you 25? And the answer is 5, because 5 times 5 is 25. Another way of saying this is, if you know the area of a square, you can calculate the side by taking the square root of the area, because by definition, the square root of a number is a number which multiplied by itself will give us the original number. To recap, the hypotenuse AC is opposite the right angle. The two other sides of the triangle are AB and BC. The area of the square on AB is 9 square centimeters. The area of the square on BC is 16 square centimeters. Therefore, according to the Pythagorean theorem, the square on the hypotenuse AC has an area 9 plus 16, or 25 square centimeters. Once you know the area to find the side, or to find the hypotenuse, you take the square root of 25, which is 5. So AC is 5 centimeters. The Pythagorean theorem is very useful because in a right-angled triangle, if you know two of the sides, you can figure out the third side.